Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see this golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I would like to show you the actual difference, so the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So it should disappear after the whole operation. So right now we have to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, so tap on this 3 bars icon and enter the settings here. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find restore default settings. Let's tap, and your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it with OK. As you can see, the camera settings, let's say, flashed a little, blinked, so we can go back in order to check, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked. So this is the welcome to camera information, and it appears if you will open the camera for the very first time. So I will just turn it off. Oh, actually I have to agree. I thought that it is the camera location tags. Okay, and here let me tap on only this time and cancel, because I just wanted to show you that you cannot see the golden spiral, which again means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.